Okay, today we'll be seeing import, how to download and import fonts to your PixelLab. Okay, let's just go to Chrome to download a font. Let me just download it from the font. The font. Let me just download one font which shows, for instance, if you have a specific font you want to download, you can either search it here on the font or you can search it here on Chrome. Let me just download one. Just click on download. Let me zoom in so you see what I did. I clicked on download, which is here. It is downloading now. Okay, it's done downloading. You will see either I open here to see the font I downloaded, or I will go through this place, my notification bar. You will see the font. Look at it, downloading completed. This is the font that I downloaded. Alright, so what I will do now is I'll just make sure you have ZArchiver. I'll go to my ZArchiver. If you have ZArchiver, just enter your ZArchiver. You just have to create new folder. Just click on add, and this is folder. Click on folder, add folder. You can just name the folder fonts, because I have many fonts here. I'll just name it font 5. Remember, I named it font 5. So what I will do next is I'll click OK. Alright, then I'll click on this dot here, then go to download. This is download. I'll click on download. Alright, sorry, I clicked on that. I'll click on download. Alright, the font I downloaded should be around here. It should be around here. Let me check the name of the font. So I will scroll down, look for that notification. Alright, let me sort it. I can't see any sorting option here. Just okay, let me just click on one font to show you. Just click on this font and you click on extract. Here is extract. You click on extract. Don't click on here again. Just go back to this small dot here. Then you click on your device storage. Look for that font 5. This is the font 5. Then you click on this export. It will export it here. Alright, what you will do now is you just leave ZArchiver, go to your PixelLab application, open your PixelLab. Alright, here is my PixelLab. Just can if your PixelLab doesn't have any text, so you can just add text. Just click on here and click on add text. But I already have a font here, so I'll just go on this font and go to font. Make sure that one font is highlighted. Just go to font. This is font. Then you go over to my fonts, which is my font here. Click on this, look for font 5. Okay, this is font 5. Then I'll just mark that font that I just extracted to this font 5. I click add section. You see that's the font here. Right, I've automatically added it. Now I've clicked on it, so that 3 days that I highlighted now will turn to this font. As you can see, this is the font. I've just downloaded this font now. Alright, I hope this video will be helpful. Like, star, and share. Comment if you have any question. Drop it in the comment section, and also subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.